So hey, what's up everyone, this is Javi back here with another video. So yeah, today I will be solving the LeetCode problem, okay. Yeah, after so many days again I am solving it, so let it be. So first here I will gonna choose the hard problem, okay. So I can easily understand my levels and everything. So here as you can see in the problem, to solve this problem, for that I have to finding the median of two sorted arrays, yeah. And here the time complexity must be 0 log m plus n here, and we can utilize a binary search for that, okay. So here I'm starting with the code, okay. So yeah, class solution public double find median sorted arrays vector int and nums1 comma vector int and nums2. It's nums1 dot size then nums2 dot size return find median sorted arrays nums2 comma nums1. So I have to ensure that the nums1 should be smaller in array, okay. Now int m equal to nums1 dot size, int n equal to nums2 dot size, and now int no equal to 0 and how I equal to m. Now while low less than equal to high, then int partition 1 equal to low plus high by 2, and int partition 2 equal to m plus n plus 1 by 2 equal to minus partition 1. Int max left 1 comma partition 1 equals to 0. Int mean is to nums1 partition minus 1, and int mean right 1 equals to partition 1 equals to m, where int max nums1 partition 1. Now int max left 2 partition equals to 0, and int mean nums2 partition 2 minus 1. Now int mean right 2 equals to partition 2 equals to n, int max num2 partition 2. Now if max left 1 less than equal to mean right 2 and max left 2 less than equal to mean right 1, then if m plus n equals 2 equals to 0, return max x left 1 comma max left 2 plus mean right 1 mean right 2 to find 0. Else return taking max here, max left 1 or max left 2. Else if max left 1 greater than right 2, I equal to partition minus 1, or else low equal to partition plus 1. So invalid argument input arrays are not sorted. So now our code is done. Let's compiling it and let's see is it running or not. After compiling this, yeah, it's running. So yeah, as you can see here, our code is successfully running here.